Hello there, Taylor with the Multi-Emperor Report. Today is day 2 of butchering the French language. Yes, we've tacked on another language of things that I can't properly speak, and I couldn't even speak English to begin with. Si, or oui, as the case may be. Par là, il y a une perturbation tropicale par là, et se déplace vers l'ouest. Ou quelque chose. Ouais, eso es. Ouais, eso es todo en francés para hoy. Sí. Primero, no. We'll go on to Spanish. I don't know how to segue into Spanish from French without going through English. Completely true. Hablamos sobre el tema de esta perturbación tropical. Es una perturbación tropical según la Météo France o el Météo France, no sé. Y se está moviendo hacia el oeste, Pero en el momento creo que no tiene peligros afectando tierra. Y también este huracán Huracán Raymond es un huracán otra vez, ¿sí? De nuevo, algo así. Y se prevé que este huracán está fortaleciendo, algo así. Pero en un momento no tiene peligros afectando tierra. Está demasiado lejos de la tierra en el momento, sí. En el noroeste pacífico hay una zona de probabilidad según el JTWC, pero según el JMA es una depresión tropical sin nombre, sí, y creo que es demasiado lejos de la Tierra, pero no sé. Y según el Fiji, esta zona no es una zona de probabilidad, es cerca de 0%, sí, o algo, null. Cerca de 0, null, sí. Y no sé. Eso es todo en español. Paraguay o algo. No puedo hablar en español. Je ne peux pas parler en français aussi. Oui. But in English, I get a little bit of English in. So going in the same direction, this is a tropical disturbance. That's what it's called in English. Per Météo France. Don't believe there's land hazards on this one, but it is continuing to move over there. We need a satellite, don't we? We need some satellites. We wait for it. There you go. So that thing actually could be affecting La Réunion and Maurice in the future, depending on how far out those bands go and depending on how big it is at the time. Yes, and then over here in the Eastern Pacific, Raymond is a hurricane once again, but Raymond right now, no land hazards on that. Not sure if Raymond is going to get close enough to produce maybe some dangerous surf conditions. Probably at that point would be far out enough that there wouldn't be any rain hazards, especially if they're predicting that Raymond's going to be a tropical depression at that point. Probably not going to be very large, but I don't know. And then this area, per the JTWC, is a medium chance of tropical cyclone formation, but the JMA is already tracking this as a unnamed tropical depression. But right now, I believe that's far enough away from land that there's no land hazards. And this thing, if you actually go read Fiji's outlook, it says it's TD04, and it's not expected at all, apparently, to become a tropical cyclone. So that's why it's a null. They're not even giving it the dignity of saying a very low chance. No, it's just, it doesn't even say anything. Not expected to become. So basically 0. I don't know. And that is what is happening in the land of tropical cyclones. But guess what's happening in the land of U.S. severe thunderstorm weather? Today, apparently nothing. But tomorrow, 15% chance of severe weather and the addition that some of it could be significant. So to break down this map, there's as high as a 15% chance tomorrow of some sort of severe weather event. And then in the black hatched area is where there could be the 2-inch or larger hail, if it's that. The 75-mile-per-hour greater winds, if it is that. Or the EF2 or greater tornadoes, if it is that. But they only break down the individual probabilities of the different hazards on the day itself. So tomorrow, we'll get to find out what all that black hatched area means. And then day 3, 15% chance, similar-ish area, but no significant severe weather, no black hatched area on that, at least as of the moment. And then in the medium range outlook, there's actually stuff going on with day 4, which would be what? October 30th and October 31st. So this is where you get the Dixie Alley type of threat this time of year. That's why you always have to stay vigilant or something of the sort if you're out in that area. But you probably already know that. If you're out in that area, right. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the Screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. And Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.